Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. Hi everyone, today we will talk about a radical new body kit for Yamaha XSR900, the BOTTPOWER CARBONA XR9. The philosophy behind Yamaha's yard build program is to show what is possible when the custom industry's most creative minds are let loose on a standard production bike. In the last few years we've seen some incredible two-wheeled masterpieces emerge from workshops all over Europe, and the new XR9 CARBONA by BOTTPOWER is surely one of the most radical Yamaha yard build specials ever seen. Compact, aggressive and light, the XR9 CARBONA is designed to deliver a high level of performance on those twisty and challenging open roads that get every rider's adrenaline flowing. The XR9 CARBONA kit includes a fuel tank cover with integrated carbon fiber air intakes, carbon fiber seat and tail including Alcantara saddle, tail and signal lights, front number plate with integrated LED position lights, radiator covers with winglets, high-low beam headlights, license plate holder, sprocket cover and belly pan. BOTTPOWER CARBONA XR9, a cool and fast bike with a modern and aggressive look. Thanks for watching our video, stay safe and see you again next time.